Hi, I'm Salena with the American Crochet Association. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to join granny squares together. Let's try method 1, join as you go. This method replaces a chain space with a slip stitch into the connecting motif during the last round. Start with 1 granny square, complete with the total number of rounds it should have. As you begin the last round of your next granny square, you'll replace 1 chain with a slip stitch into the connecting square. Start in the chain 3 corner by replacing the middle chain with a slip stitch into the connecting square. Continue working your pattern instructions until the next chain space is reached. Next, you'll replace each chain 1 space along the side of the motif with a slip stitch into the connecting square. Continue working your pattern instructions until the next chain space is reached. Check your work to make sure the motifs are joined evenly. Let's try method 2, slip stitch together. This method connects 2 complete motifs together along one side with a slip stitch seam. Start by evenly lining up your starting and stopping points with stitch markers. Insert your hook through the center loops of both pieces of fabric only. Draw up a loop by pulling yarn through both loops. Work 1 slip stitch through the center loops of both pieces of fabric until the stopping point is reached. Slip stitches are slightly raised on the front. The back of the slip stitch fabric is flat.